Hi guys, so since Barbie's all the rage these days, I thought why not make a Barbie themed invitation card. So that's what we're going to do today. So after you come to Canva, we are going to select, let me just show you. We're going to select the portrait invitation, which is 5 into 7. I already went ahead and opened it, so you do the same. And after that, since we want this to be Barbie themed, we want the Barbie themed color palette. So in order to use that color palette, I'm just going to search for Barbie theme color palette on Google, and I'm going to go with this one. And I'm going to save this image, and I'm going to show you in a minute how we can use this in Canva. What we can do is that we are going to upload this. There you go. After uploading this, we can use this color palette. We're going to add a page, and we're going to shift this over here. So on this page, if you go to the color, we can see that this has already picked up on the colors from the photo and has aligned them over here. So we're going to use these colors to make our card. So I like this light one. You can even see the code here. So this color I'm going to use as my base color for the card. And what I'm feeling is something tropical, something like you're at the beach, think of Miami or Malibu. So we're going to use all those elements here. I want to go ahead and first do something with the text. So the famous catchphrase, come on Barbie, let's go party. I'm going to do that. So I'm going to find the so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write, come on Barbie, let's go party. And for that, I'm going to go ahead and add a heading. So I'm going to look for Bukhari script, and I'm going to write Barbie here. Yeah, and I'm going to make this big. I'm going to change the color to white. Wait. And I'm going to duplicate this, and I will add this effect. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color of this to something brighter, darker, I meant. Yeah, so you can go ahead and see the code of the color that I used here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the thickness to max, which is 200. And I am going to change the font color to this as well. Wait, what color did I use? I'm going to copy this color, and I'm going to use this here. There you go. Now I'm just going to layer this to the back, and there you have it. It looks, we can also group this. So now we're gonna do the same thing with come on. So now that we have our font in place, we're going to add some very minimalist, tropical, beachy elements. You know, like a ski. What is it called? Um, a ski board? No, what is it? Some board. Surfboard? Yeah. We're gonna add a surfboard, and we're gonna change the colors. Obviously, this looks like a gray stone. I'm also going to flip it, and I'm gonna change the colors. I'm gonna change this to blue. We'll change this to pink, maybe a little bit of white, and I'm gonna change this to another pink. You can also lighten some colors. And of course, there you go. I think we could change this to white is fine. Some little flowers, hibiscus, hibiscus flower is nice. We can change this to white and maybe add these here and there. We could add some sunglasses. Beach. Now we're just going to add the generic text.